This video models out the different processes of cellular respiration, which begin with glycolysis, move into the Krebs cycle, then we show ATP synthesis and chemiosmosis in the electron transport chain, and last but not least, lactic acid fermentation. Glycolysis is the first step of cellular respiration. It happens in the cytoplasm of the cell and doesn't need oxygen. One glucose molecule, which has 6 carbons, is split into 2 smaller molecules called pyruvate. During this process, the cell makes 2 ATP, energy that it can use right away, and 2 NADH, which carry energy for later. After glycolysis, the pyruvate moves into the mitochondria for the next step of respiration.
Acetyl-CoA is in the mitochondrial matrix. CoA-SH separates and bonds to oxaloacetate and becomes citrate. Water leaves and rebonds to form isocitrate. NAD plus bonds and releases NADH. Carbon dioxide releases to form A-ketoglucarate. It then releases carbon dioxide, reducing NAD plus to NADH. The remaining molecule is bonded with CoA-SH. This forms succinyl-CoA. Then removes CoA-SH and removes GTP, and GTP loses a phosphate group and reattaches as GDP, forming succinate. This then transfers 2 hydrogen to FADH2 and forms fumarate. This molecule then gains water and becomes malate, gains NAD+, which removes 1 hydrogen and releases as NADH to then become oxaloacetate.
Inside the mitochondria, high-energy electrons from NADH and FADH travel through proteins in the inner membrane. As they move, their energy pumps protons across the membrane, creating a gradient. Oxygen grabs the electrons at the end to form water, and the stored energy drives ATP synthase to make ATP, the cell's main energy source.
In lactic acid fermentation, NADH reduces pyruvate, forming lactic acid. This regenerates NAD+, allowing it to assist in hydrolyzing more glucose in order to form more ATP by substrate-level phosphorylation. Lactic acid fermentation is used in muscle cells when not enough oxygen is present.
This concludes our presentation on cellular respiration. Thank you for watching.